Hello everyone. This video will explain you about table module pattern, which is part of domain logic pattern. I have already introduced about domain logic pattern. If you have not checked that video, please check out that first. Let's see table module pattern in this video. Let me go through the definition first. As per definition, a single instance that handles the business logic for all rows in a database table or view. So basically saying whatever entity or class you have created, what whatever the object you are creating for that class, that object has all those methods to handle the business logic. Just take example, in a basically e-commerce application, you have product as an entity or the class. In that product class, you have a behavior and you have all those method which is handling a business use cases like adding a product or removing a product. For all those method, whatever implementation for the required, we will add the logic in the same class. So let's see. A table module organize a domain logic with one class per table in a database. In domain model pattern, what we have done in a simple domain model, we have added one entity basically with the properties or the data, and the second domain model, which are the rich domain model, we have implemented those classes to give a business logic. In this case, in table module, basically the same class is handling both things. It's also creating a entity and it's also adding the business entity or business logic in the same class, which is actually was missing in a domain model pattern. So if you go through with as I already told, in the case of e-commerce application, let's see we have a uh, product database table in our system. So for that database table, we have implemented one class which is a product, and that product has two property, ID and a name. Plus we can add all those business logic method like we have a get product by name, add product, or add product list, multiple, or the remove product. For all those business logic method we can create in the same class. Now where we should use table module, because this pattern actually is returning as a tabular data, so we should go with the basically this pattern where you need to work on the tabular data, like if you are getting data in or showing data in table. Okay, there you go with the this kind of pattern. And normally in a lightning data table we also use. So on that kind of concept, okay, we can go with this table module because it will work on the tabular data. Now how we should use, basically we should use with this module by creating a class with property and the methods for the all the business logic, whatever the property we have to create for that, showing all those detail of that particular entity, and whatever business logic required, we have to add all those business logic in the same class. And it does not support inheritance, which is supported in a domain model. Domain model was supporting inheritance, but in table model, the inheritance is not supported. So you can say it's a difference between the domain model and table module. What is the advantage of table module? So because you can see that we are adding the behavior, we are adding the business logic as well. So packaging of those entity in while the deployment is easy. This is the advantage for the this pattern. Disadvantage, you can see whenever the complex requirement is there, we it is not fitting because probably you cannot change the behavior based on the requirement, based on the object. Just take example, we have used product. So now the same product, if you want to use in other properties, other behaviors, like just take example, product is used for the e-commerce application. Can we use the same product as a uh, uh, educational system? Can we use the same product as a software system? No, we cannot use, because we have added all those business logic in the same class, which is maybe is not utilized by the other you can say domain, like for the real estate or the banking system, those will not work. Okay, so this is, you can see, this one adventure where it will not fit